In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 underrated HubSpot features you should be using in 2020. Hi there, Tasha here from RedPandas Digital. One of the most underrated and underutilized features of HubSpot is conversations and chat flows. Even HubSpot's free version includes live chat and basic bot builder. It's super easy to set up with no coding at all. This means we can build it and place it on our website and start engaging with leads right away. If you use the HubSpot CRM as well and have stored data on that lead, you can then personalize and contextualize the chat flow experience for the user. Let's say a lead you already have information on has been qualified and then returns to your site. You could also then automate a chatbot that gives them an option to book a call right within the app. Now say you want to use the bot to hand over them to a sales rep if they've been qualified. You can do that too. You can build out a qualifying sequence where the lead answers questions, and by the time they get to say the 3rd question, you've notified a rep and then they can jump in to the conversation, take it over, and it becomes a live chat instance. A pro tip though, bots are fantastic technology. Users are becoming more and more accustomed to seeing them and using them, but nothing beats and will ever beat the human interaction. At the end of the day, you are selling and talking to a human, so you want to use these tools to empower your team so they can do their best human part. Probably one of the most used tools for me and my clients is workflows. The beauty of HubSpot workflows is that they can be used for a number of objectives. Some include automation and nurturing streams of content. In other words, sending out different types of content depending on where the lead is in the buyer's journey. Campaign management and follow-ups of your prospects and your sales reps. You could even update internal data when certain actions happen. Some of the workflows, if you're not already using, that should be used in 2020 include re-engagement workflows. They're great for inactive contacts and cleaning out your database. Event or date-based workflows, reminder emails and SMSs to confirm attendance, and you can even collect feedback from those events. Longer-term nurturing campaign emails that can trigger off tasks to contact owners to call or visit the lead depending on the nature of the sale or the relationship. And then finally, an obvious one that might not be utilised as much as it could be is abandoned shopping cart workflow emails. So for e-commerce businesses, these are great to be able to reach out to those almost customers and then offer them an incentive to finish off the purchase. You could also use this concept in a B2B space as well, where a workflow is triggered based off a page, perhaps, for example, a pricing page. Finally, feature 3, the HubSpot mobile app for sales reps. One of the last underrated features of HubSpot I want to highlight is the HubSpot mobile app. This one has come a long way over the last few years. So if it's been a while since you've looked at it last, it might be worth re-evaluating. I've especially noticed from a user point of view just how efficient the app is for sales and BDs when they're out on the road away from their desks. Here are just a few reasons why in 2020 sales reps and BDs need to be using the HubSpot CRM app. All of your tasks can be accessed and managed within the app. You can set yourself and your team members tasks and reminders within the app. I can switch between my pipelines within it, so that at any point in time, if I'm selling across the 2, I can easily select which pipeline I need to be in. Once I'm in that pipeline, I can easily swipe across the screen into the various deal stages and then see the deals that are in those stages. When I locate the deal that I'm looking for, I can click on it and manage the deal just like I would on my desktop. I could go on longer, but those are just some of the great features of the HubSpot mobile app. So to recap, make sure you see how you can leverage conversations and the chatbot builder, implement more functional workflows into your business, and get your sales function onto the HubSpot mobile app. Of course, there are way more features that, other than these 3 that I've mentioned, I could be speaking to you about, but speak to RedPandas and we can help you find the ones that are most valuable for you. Thanks for listening, and if you found this helpful, be sure to follow us for more content and resources.